Hello, we will make the pecking birds for you today. How do you make it? It's an origami art, so we need a square paper and we fold it diagonally. Okay, then we open it up. Step number one, we bring in this point together. Step number two, turn it around. This loose end, you bring it together. Step number three, turn around. This one, little over this, and this one, little less. Step number four, turn it around. This one, little over the lower half. Your duck should stand like this. Step number four, fold it. Step number five, pull up the neck. Step number six, pull up the beak. Step number seven, fold the beak. Step number eight, fold the beak. Step number nine, adjust the beak. Like this, and your bird is ready to flap. Step number 10, just color it and it will flap like these birds. Thank you.